In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson WorkForce WF-2010W series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser. In the Google search, you want to search for Epson WorkForce WF-2010W support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should come back with Epson WorkForce WF-2010W support. Go ahead and open that up. And you just want to scroll down on this page and you want to select the Epson product setup here. Go ahead and select that and then download. And once it's downloaded onto your system, go ahead and open up that file to extract it. It should be a verified publisher, Epson Corporation. Select yes. And then you just want to proceed through the end user license terms. You want to accept the terms here and then proceed to install your printer. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So like I said, pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.